my wardrobe right now. There you are. There you are. And so, look. Peekaboo! 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 Aww. You want out, Garfield? And that was Garfield. Where's Garfield? I see him with whiskers. Alright, he's done. Alright, he is done. He's right by my foot. Alright, so Garfield is done right now. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. So Garfield is done right now, so bye! And sorry that I didn't do the intro today, because I didn't want to, lose Garfield's place, I guess. Because he was trying to get out whenever I was first doing this. So, let's go. Bye!